Hey people, since my last video was about hair care, this magic thing that I have discovered, it's called the True Tone Hair Dye Stick. Now, the thing about this wonderful hair dye stick is that uh, I get my 7-year-old to do this magic thing for me. That sometimes, those of us who are whatever, this odd gray hair, so and it's not always practical to sit and apply the henna and all of that. So then True Tone Hair Dye Stick comes in handy. So my sweet little son is also here, and he's my little he does everything for me, in terms of he helps to beautify his old mother. So so that's the thing. I'm like always, I'm rushing somewhere, so but I just had to say this is just, it's a Delhi based product, but it's nice for these emergency situations. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and then
do the bell and do thumbs up. Inside the subscribe there's a bell, do ring, then that's good.
okay,
And do a comment.
okay. See, so thanks people.